Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, May 7th, and this is my analysis for gold. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on the home screen to learn more. So, anyways, today is FOMC interest rate news for the US. So that is normally a very, very big news event. And I will be live streaming on YouTube for that news event. So make sure to stop in for the YouTube live stream to see my latest analysis on all your favorite pairs. So, anyways, for now, on gold, I really do not think this move up is over yet. Yes, we definitely did get a pretty nice little impulsive move down. But if you watched my video yesterday, we went beyond the 178%, which means that this is probably not going to stop now. The next target for me would actually probably be the 261, 278. So my next target is someplace around like the 3500, maybe 3510 to 3490 area. And it also looks like a potential 1, 2, 3. Kind of looks like we're in an ABC of 4, which may go down to like the 38%. And then it looks like we potentially could go up quite a bit more for wave 5, maybe even reaching all the way up to the 261, 278% Fibonacci extension. I still think there is a chance that this is a wave B and that this is a wave A over here. And once this wave B is over, it goes down in a big move to the downside for a wave C. But you have to keep in mind that's probably not all going to play out today. It's probably going to take several days for this to just finish off a wave B. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.